All right.
This is real.
Yeah, this is real. Jennifer and I are sitting outside of, what's the address of this place?
1102.
Someplace, Vista Heights. Yeah, it's fine. You can say it. It's fine.
Live from Vista Park.
Vista Park. Yeah, like it's not live yet, but soon. But
well, soon. We're like at the Heights.
Yeah.
On Vista Park.
Here's the thing. We're having a little bit of a question about it because you're not supposed to tell people about it coming soon. But that's okay because by the time you see this, it should be live. So it's fine.
Okay,
it's fine.
I love that about us.
We're going to tour you through this home. It's really cool. I think there are a lot of different lifestyles this can fit, and that's the purpose of showing people this.
Exactly, and that's why we're going to do I'm actually doing a lifestyle video, and it's going to star. Wait for it.
Oh my gosh. It's so silly.
So silly.
All right, so I'm giving you a kind of a spin around the neighborhood so you can see how it's laid out. Jennifer, what do you have to say about the location of the neighborhood?
The location of the neighborhood is actually amazing. We're right by Steiner Ranch.
Okay, yep.
And if you like literally you get to the top of the street when you come out,
yep,
you're Home Depot, and then you've got a million malls. HEB is literally 3 minutes away.
Yeah.
And I mean, there's so many shops, there's grocery, there's so many things.
I think there's a Best Buy over there.
There's so many
Not
things.
that anybody even shops there anymore, which is kind of a shame. I had to move because it's really hot out there and we're not wearing any shoes.
Look how cute my shoes are.
Those are nice.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, let's go in you want to look at the garage or the front door?
Yeah.
Let's look at the garage.
So they all have these really great glass doors that I like.
Oh, which you can't really see.
Which you can't really see.
For half a second, just so they can see. It looks like this on the inside and the outside.
Yeah, super cool.
Yeah.
And you can see there's a ton of height. The storage up above will fit any truck. You've got 1-car garage here. I really do like the use of the space. These guys have done a really great job cleaning it up, getting it ready for sale. But let's go ahead and go in. What do you think?
I noticed there's the water heater here. Yep. There's a little bit of storage.
Extra
under
storage,
there. Is that what that's for?
You can put your bins in there and they don't take up any extra space. So it's all good.
Come
on in. I'll show you around. All right, we've got our able-bodied assistant here, Cooper Goodman.
Fingers. And, all right, you want to do downstairs or upstairs first?
Let's we're here.
Yeah.
So coming through, we've got, wait for it, Ian, you know what's here? This is where we keep the bodies.
I see. Okay, yeah.
Cool. Extra storage.
What is that, chicken broth? Okay.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
Of course. Bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum.
Washer and dryer.
Washer, dryer. I think there's room for warning the water system for this home.
Oh, to have access because it's multiple places connected, right?
Multiple units. Yeah. There you go. Now, what's great about this is it's kind of got a shotgun where you go from one end to the other and out here.
Okay.
And the thing that's the best part about this is we're literally on a preserve, so there's no one behind us. We'll go out there later.
Yeah.
But let's check out the size of this room. Love it. You've got the super high ceilings right here, obviously. Look at, I'm 5 feet.
Yeah, I was going to say, we got to give them a perspective. 5 feet. That's it right there.
So that makes it, should put 11, 12 feet.
Yeah, it's like, it's up there.
On the main floor.
The door is 10 feet alone.
So,
let's open this just so real quickly people can see.
Well, people live here, so we're going to be mindful. Wait for it.
I think people who are watching this, in fact, that's a question. If you're watching this video, if you're touring a house, do you care if it's staged versus if there's like clothing in the closet versus if people live there? Like what actually matters to you when you're looking at a home? Yeah, let us know.
I'd be interested in finding out myself.
Yeah, that's a good question, I think.
So so this is obviously, we're using it as an office and we're using it as a bedroom. I like the modern fans. You've got a full bath right in there.
Full bath.
Full bath, nice tile.
With tile.
Yep, nice and
clean. A window out, and the window's higher up, so short people like us don't have to worry about anybody being up there and
No sexy time.
Yeah, no sexy time. Yeah, because that happens. People are weird, man.
It happens. Now, what these folks did was super smart because they're the first owners, so they're heading out, but they did the LVP right up the stairs.
Okay, all the way up the stairs. I see.
All the way. No carpet. No carpet. I don't know about you, and I would love to hear, for those watching, what do you think about carpet on the stairs?
That's a really good question. I think in Texas, we have a lot of homes that don't have any carpet, or they only have carpet in the bedroom.
Yep.
But you gotta think about like the lifestyle, right? Carpet is nice to walk on. Most people, what they do is this. They'll put like rugs down all over the place, right?
Yeah.
But so if you have kids or somebody that's prone to falling, then that makes a lot of sense. Like having some kind of, but walking around barefoot on hard floor like this, I don't personally like it.
Really?
But this isn't like tile.
No,
Tile's
this is a really nice LVP.
Yeah, so it has a little bit of give. Not a lot. Not a lot, but a little bit.
And you know what else it has?
Yeah. The red liquor. When we were making this, yeah. Nice, good job. When we were making this, we probably ate 20 or 30 pieces of licorice when we were doing our lifestyle video just a moment ago. Oh, I know.
It's time for an Ian cluster. Come on, you can
do that.
You can.
That's too much. I'll do one. That's too much.
There you go.
Got it. Thank you.
All right.
This is strawberry, right?
This is strawberry. What do you like better, people? There's a contest going on. The cherry nibs. Cherry nibs or the strawberry Twizzler.
Or black licorice. You have to put it in there. You have to give people their choices,
That's just
right?
an ew.
Just because you don't like it doesn't mean somebody else might.
So I'm going to come all the way over here. This is our setup. We've been shooting here for quite a while. So we've got all the accoutrement that you could possibly need. You've got your stainless sink. You've got your nice and deep. Now, they're one sink people. I like the sink.
The separator?
Separated.
Yeah, I like that.
If it was my choice, that's what I would do. They did a really nice job. No gas.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Depends on where you come from, whether you're used to having a gas range or not. Some people love it. Some people don't care. Some people can't live without having gas.
Yeah, and some people won't have it anymore because they feel like there's some sort of danger involved. But I'll tell you what, I would take cooking with gas over a microwave any day. I haven't used a microwave in probably 15 years. You've got this really great coffee nook right here, and it's echoed up there, which I thought
does the Breville come with the home?
Anything for a price, Ian.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say no. Plus, it's not mine, so I can't give somebody else's stuff away. But it's got a cute little niche up there. And then coming over here, check this out. So their dogs sit out here. It's really cute. And they wait for their mom to come home. Every evening, and it was really cute. So last night when I came over, the dogs were like literally sitting right up here. They have a little dog bed. Cooper's demonstrating.
Thanks, Coop. Did I lose you? I lost you. I can still hear you.
All right. Come on over.
Okay.
I put the fan on. They've done this really nice glass shower. I like it. It's nice and clean.
Yeah, again, tile, there's a bench for people that need that. And then it's wide.
It's
extra
wide.
Since there's no bathtub, you have this extra space, so you might as well put some more
and then
space in here for people to stand and sit. And
from a getting ready, that was odd. From a getting ready perspective, the fact that you have this much space, I love it. And you know what? Their tile is just cute. I don't feel like it'll ever go away. I like the whole idea of the black and the white.
Yeah.
And then
neutral.
Nice and neutral. You've got her closet and his closet. Both are lit. So that's kind of nice.
Yep.
And then you're right back here to the main area, but I really like the way they've done the separation of it. And the light in here, I mean, it's middle of the day. Yeah. And there's a preserve behind us with a whole trail. It goes down to a dog park.
I did show it for like half a second, but I might as well go back.
Yeah.
Because then you can see the walking trail back there.
Love it.
Right here. Make sure my finger's pointing at the right thing. There we go.
There you go.
Yeah.
So really, this is it. And I love the feel in here. You've got the extra height in this room. You've got the extra height downstairs, and they've spared nothing. I mean, it really is a great.
Even tile up at the top right here. You know, this is a quality build.
Totally.
What do you happen to know, like what the approximate taxes or tax rate are like in this area? Do you happen to know?
That is on my to-do list, and I'm not going to lie. I've been looking at so many properties lately.
And it changes all the time. Like people don't know this, but depending on what neighborhood you're in, when the last time it was assessed, 78726. So that's good to know. It's probably around a 2.2 tax rate. That's going to be my guess. But that rate, it doesn't actually matter what the rate is, depending on the value of the home. So if they ended up, selling the home for,
I'm looking it up.
Yeah, I don't want actual numbers, but based on how much they sell the home for, then they multiply that by the tax rate. That's kind of how the assessor gets the tax, the estimated tax value, and then they apply any type of exemptions. So that's something that you have the conversation with your realtor, your mortgage, your loan officer, because that's all going to factor into your monthly payment. All right, let's take a look at downstairs.
We just did downstairs.
Well, we looked. No, outside.
I knew it. I knew what you meant. Come on, let's go.
All right. All right. Come on.
Cooper spent a lot of time on this trail.
Has he?
Oh yeah.
All right. I'm not wearing shoes,
so you don't
but
have
I'm
to go
also
out
not
there.
complaining.
I'm gonna demonstrate.
Okay. Well, that's nice. Yeah, they are dog people.
Yeah.
We didn't lock ourselves out, did we?
Oh, I hope not.
Okay.
I've got the key.
Good. All right.
So this goes all the way down to the dog park.
Got it. I don't want to go all the way down to the dog park.
No, you really don't.
Okay. This is not pleasant to walk on barefoot.
No,
I will say that.
So let's end it here because, you know, this is just a great way. What I love about the units on this side at the Heights are the woods. I mean, it really is. It feels like when you're upstairs, you feel like you're in a treehouse. And what could be better? Yeah. The serenity is just fantastic.
All right, so people that are watching this, let us know what you think about this particular home. I'm curious. I'm going to put Jennifer, and you already have my contact information. It'll be in the description. We're excited to show you this home. By the time you watch this, it'll already be available to purchase.
Yes,
or maybe not. Maybe it'll go quick.
But I don't know.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Ask us any questions, and we're happy to have shown you. Thanks for spending the time with us.
Thanks so much for tuning in.
See ya.